So hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video we are going to look how we can create a UI in Adobe XD. So let's get started. First we have to create a artboard. So for this tutorial we are going to design a UI for an Android mobile. So just click over Android mobile and maximize it, center it with space and drag it wherever you want. Just 100% and you can see we have a artboard over here. Just select artboard and in fill color select a color what you want. I will select this color here and choose linear gradient from here, and in dark side, sorry, in light side, just select and drag it over a light color. In dark side you just have to go little bit darker and just click over a rectangle and draw rectangle over here, and draw rectangle with width maybe 40 or 45 width, and just like this, and give radius 10, and select this text tool and click here and write user name and center it and choose Roboto. For this I will use this font, this is good, and select it with and if you want to use a icon over here, just click here, go in fontawesome.com and download this file from here. You will get 3 font and just install all the fonts, and then just go in fontawesome.com/cheat sheet. On cheat sheet page you will find a lots of icon here, so just search icon you want to use. I will use user icon for our username, so just click copy and paste over here. As you can see we have a square with a cross, so just select it and just go here and type font awesome and search for font awesome solid. Okay, as you can see we have our icon. Just click here and choose black color for this, center this icon as well as center this one also, and choose black color for this also. In here we can just place right here. Okay, so just enable layers from here there and select this and group it and name it user name, copy and paste it, so you will have another layer. Just place it right over here and copy paste again for our third layer, which is for our login button. So place here and name it password, and for this we will use login button. Just click here, control and click to select this text layer and write password, and to change this just select with control and click, go in here, use and search for log, and you will have this. Just copy it and paste it here, so you will have a icon for your password. For our login button we are going to delete this, center it and name it as login, select it and just make it bold. Select this rectangle and remove this fill color and choose white color for border and choose border width 2 and you will have uh, this kind of button. Just select text layer and choose white color for this as well. As you can see, we have a nice input boxes for our application. Now we have to use a logo for this, so just click on this text field and click here and just go in here and search some logo. Or maybe I will use Android logo for this. So they say we have nothing, but I know they will have, so just go and oh sorry, Android. Okay, copy it, paste it over here, click and choose font or some brands. Okay, why it not coming? Okay, now it coming. Just change size about 80, center it and place wherever you want. I will place right above here and just make it little bit larger. Yeah, and you can also write a name over here. So for that I will use font Pacifico, my app. Okay, select it, downsize to maybe 30 and choose Pacifico from here and use like this, make it 40. Yeah, center it and just click select both of these, Ctrl G and make logo. Okay, just name this artboard as login and we have designed our login. If you want to put social links over here, you can put over right there. So just select maybe 20, just go here and search for Facebook, select logo from here, paste it, two spaces, search for Twitter, copy, paste it, two spaces again and search Instagram and copy and paste it. Just center it, select all of this and choose font or some brands and downsize about 25. Oh, where it gone? Okay, yeah, here it is. Just center it again and you will have your login UI done. Just go back from here, copy and paste for another artboard, change here sign up, and for sign up we will use email field between this user and password. So for that we have to move our logo little bit up right over here, select this and move it here, just copy and paste and put over here and as you can see, just click over here and write email and just select this and search for here envelope. Okay, select this, copy and paste it here and for this button select the login text and uh, place it with sign up. So the UI has been done now, and we have do some little changes. Just select these two field, just select anyone this, and down opacity about 70% for both of these. Same for this, just select these three field and just change it with email, place it here, select these three and down opacity about 70. As you can see, we have our nicely looking UI for login and sign up. So this is it guys. In next video we are going to see how we can apply this in our Android Studio application. So like, share and subscribe.